It's very informative, yeah. Very informational, a lot of techniques on the prep, which is huge, so that was very informational for us.
Very informative class, a lot of knowledge on paint correction, the Jade products themselves, and a lot of marketing information.
Learn about how to do the ceramic coating. I have my own car wash, so I already know how to do detail, but I was trying to wander into how to apply the ceramic on my car wash.
I think it's a great opportunity for anyone who's trying to improve or get more out of their company and to learn a new skill and take it on and expand from it.
It's been a fantastic experience. I've been researching the Jade brand for quite a while now, and being able to come here, see the marketing aspects and understand from the professionals how to properly apply, properly prep has been a fantastic experience.
Pretty good. Learned a lot about longevity of it, how long it lasts, and looks like it'll be pretty good.
When I was on the craftsman class, I learned a little bit, but now I learned pretty much everything what I need to learn about it.
Oh, it's been great. I've just in paint correction alone today, I've learned a lot. Just a good refresher from when I went through the course a couple years ago.
Very informational. Learned a lot about the different chemicals and products, which one follows which and which ones to use in certain applications.
For sure, it's going to bring in more customer, and it's going to for sure boost up the revenue. We actually use it in my shop already, so now with the new 12-month, the new spray, I think that's something that we can really take advantage of more profit.
It'll allow me to offer the best products to my clients.
It can go up my business. I can offer a new service that I didn't have before, and I try to expand my car wash.
It's going to help me stand out for one, and it's going to give me some new opportunities for new clients and to build new relationships.
Being a certified Jade applicator is going to open many doors. It's also going to give my customers the ability to search further beyond those that are already in the ceramic application world. So it just provides them with another avenue for bringing their car in and making them look beautiful.
Well, it'll provide something else that I could provide for my customers, so more income is always better.
It's a great opportunity to grow. I've been doing the detailing, but now I want to offer ceramic, so I think it's going to be a good opportunity.
It'll expand my business financially and just more clients. Like I said, I've had plenty of calls already, people asking for it, and so I think it's going to be great.
Hopefully increase profit margins and revenue and customer traffic.